Central Lengatna Kangpokpi District District Administration da Kudakta Tabak Pai Kanaba Haikibadagi Kotu Nangasi Hing Nongyadagi Pungni Funipangi Economic Blockade Taugani Tourambadu Matam Karagi Handokle Hairi Ngasi Kotu na Thadora Kibacherol Amada Haukiba October Anida Makhandagi Kamginlen Chongloi Kidnap Taukibada Jenaba Singh Fanaba Amadi Wafa Zone Matik Chana Security Thamnaba Demand Tauraduna Ngasi ahing nongyay dagi October 8 gi ahing nongyay fawa pungni funipan gi economic blockade taugani haina laukthokibani Central Lengat na DC gi khuthang da thajaba pirakpadagi khongthang adu matam kharagi oina handokpani karigumba mari leinaba singna thajaba piraklibasing thabak taon thoktaba taragadi amukhana National Highway 2 da economic blockade pau piramdana taugani maramasina committee bu sawatpa miyamna matam asi fawa yengkhisi haina cherol asina phongdorakli.
The Committee on Tribal Unity has temporarily suspended the proposed 48 hours economic blockade imposed on the National Highway from the 7th October to the 9th October 2025 over the abduction of Mr. Kamginlen Chongloi at Makhand on the 2nd of October 2025 and the security preparedness at the buffer zones after the assurance from the Government of India through the district administrator to resolve the issue immediately. However, in case of the failure of the concerned authority to resolve the matter, the committee is liable to reimpose the economic blockade on the National Highway 2 without any further information.